In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Gemini in Gmail. Before we start, there's one important thing to know. In Gmail, turning off Gemini usually means turning off Google Workspace smart features that power Gemini features in Gmail, like the side panel and some AI overviews. Google's Gmail Help says that when you turn off smart features in Google Workspace, it also turns off certain Gemini-powered features in Gmail. First, open Gmail on your computer. In the top right corner, click the Settings gear icon, then choose See All Settings. Stay on the General tab and scroll down until you find the section called Google Workspace Smart Features. Google's official Gmail help page lists this as the place where you manage the setting tied to AI overviews and related Gemini features in Gmail. Now click Manage Workspace Smart Feature Settings. In that settings screen, turn off smart features in Google Workspace. After that, save your changes. According to Google, this disables AI overviews in Gmail search, and it also turns off other Gemini in Workspace features, including the Gemini side panel in Gmail. If you still see the Gemini icon or panel for a moment, refresh Gmail or close and reopen the tab. In some cases, the interface may take a moment to update after the setting is changed. The important part is that the feature control comes from the Smart Features setting, not from deleting individual emails or chats. Now, if you use a work or school Google Workspace account, there's another possibility. Your organization's administrator may control Gemini features centrally. Google Workspace Admin Community Guidance indicates admins can manage Gemini access in the admin console, so if the setting is missing or locked, you may need to contact your admin instead of changing it yourself. Also, turning off Gmail smart features is different from turning off Gemini activity on your Google account. Google's Gemini Help says Gemini Apps Activity can also be turned off separately from the Gemini app or Gemini web settings. That won't be the main Gmail switch, but it's useful if you want a more complete cleanup of Gemini-related activity. So the steps are simple. Open Gmail, go to Settings, click See All Settings, stay in General, open Manage Workspace Smart Feature Settings, and turn off smart features in Google Workspace. That's how to turn off Gemini in Gmail. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.